So you are into fashion industry, right? You
Yes.
are, and along with that, you are handling hospitality business.
Yes.
What is your journey exactly? Like one thing that you would want the generation coming up that they should see and understand something from your journey कि ये प्रोसेस है. इट इज नॉट दैट इजी कि जो जैसे लाइक यू सेड सोशल मीडिया के अंदर दिखाया जाता है. इट इज अ वेरी फ्लैम्बॉयंट लाइफ कि बड़ा इजी है, ऑफिस जाओ, यू हैव अ amazing office and there's a big staff waiting for you and you just give orders and it's easy, everything goes on from there. What is your journey exactly like?
So, like I said, Instagram really romanticizes entrepreneurship. It is really not easy. I think if you don't have patience and perseverance, you won't be a successful entrepreneur. You'll give up. But I feel like I just didn't have a choice. Once I'd started a company, I'd invested all that money in it. I couldn't one day say, "Hey, I quit. I'm going and getting a job." No. Also, I feel like everyone has a different personality. You should know what your personality holds. My personality was not really to work under somebody. खुद का कुछ करना है. And जैसे भी होगा देखी जाएगी. But खुद करना है. That's how I started. It takes time. And the first thing you should prioritize is your team. I know it's a big cost. I know you have to suddenly, you will pay the team. You may not be able to pay yourself.
That's true.
But if you don't have that team and you're not able to delegate your job to the person that knows how to do that job better than you won't succeed. If today I think website मैंने बना ली है, meta ads मैं learn करके खुद कर लूंगी, नहीं होगा. Not for everybody. At least I couldn't do it. That wasn't my forte. I'm a designer. अगर मैं ये करने लग गई तो product कौन design करेगा? As luck would have it, touch wood, I have been lucky in House of Yan. My strength and my support was my brother. So I always had him to
Nice.
fall on. And in Drishti Dreamscape, my Airbnb business, I have my husband. That's been my journey, and that's what's made it easy for me. But for anybody else, always seek. If you're an entrepreneur, you can always seek help from your family. You have your father, your
You should,
brothers,
you
your
should.
friends. My friends helped me a lot. One of my best friends, he's a serial entrepreneur. I don't know, he must have run some. Next time you can invite him on the podcast. He has some 16 businesses, 17, 10 khol ke, band karke. Every time he'll call me, Chishtiya, start a new business. Like, he's my bestest friend for years to come, years to go. But like, seeking a support system is extremely important. And I think, other than, of course, my co-founders, my team is something that really helps me. And I won't lie to you, when I started House of Yarn, within 6 months, the first hiring I did, at that time I had nobody else. I wasn't even making money myself. First hiring I did is I got a Niftin designer. She worked with me for 8 years. Her salary also started from a very minimal amount. Dheere dheere karte karte, of course, she also grew with us.
Obviously.
But I was like, if I don't have one person with me to help me design, execute, because there are, आप सब कुछ खुद नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप सब कुछ खुद करोगे, you will end up making a mistake somewhere.
That's a very good thing that you said.
Yeah.
क्योंकि लोग सोचते हैं कि हम लोग यहाँ कॉस्ट कटिंग करते हैं, ये करते हैं. स्टार्टिंग में यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग बाय
Yes,
योरसेल्फ.
definitely.
बट वंस यू स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग, हमारे पास एक डे के अंदर 24 आवर्स ही है. टाइम
Definitely.
उतना ही लिमिटेड है. अब या तो आप उसे ग्रो करने में अपना फोकस लगाओ और अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज डेलीगेट करना स्टार्ट करो, सो
Yeah.
दैट अदर्स आर हेल्पिंग यू ग्रो.
Definitely.
वरना यू आर स्टक इन दैट विशियस सर्कल. आप
100%.
उसी के अंदर यू वोंट ग्रो.
Definitely.
You will definitely think that I'm saving money कि मैंने आज ये सैलरी बचा ली, but you can't do it. It
नहीं
is not
होता.
possible.
Definitely. And in fact, I would always say for somebody who's starting their own business, do that job yourself minimum for 6 months to 1 year. आपको वो काम जरूर करना आना चाहिए before you get somebody to delegate that work to someone. So when that new person comes in and tells me, मैम ये नहीं हो पाया, I'm like, मैं करके दिखाऊं? You need to know how to do it. Whenever you're starting something, you should know how to do it. Definitely.
That's true.
Unless there is something that's completely out of your jurisdiction. For example, Meta ads, running ads on Facebook. I don't know anything. I just hired, but then again, I didn't hire someone under me जिसको मैं train करके सिखा रही हूँ. I hired a professional agency, somebody who does this professionally, and I got them on board and I said, listen, will you add value to my company by bringing in the one thing that I do not know how to do? So getting an agency on board was very important. In fact, for House of Yarn, a lot of my work is done by outsourced agencies. My PR is run by an outsourced agency, celebrity sourcings and, media getting.
But that's a very convenient thing in
Yes.
today's environment. You can
Yes.
outsource special company which specializes in that particular area,
Yes.
and they manage it well for you.
Yeah.
From fashion, now something that really intrigues me is your Airbnb business. Because I'm a real estate guy, I understand real estate business a lot. सो जब आपने रिटर्न की बात करी, तो रिटर्न जो रेजिडेंशियल पे आती है वो 1 to 2% बीइंग वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक
Yeah.
एनुअल
Yes. Annually.
रेजिडेंशियल, और कमर्शियल में इफ द ब्रांड इज गुड you will get a return of 5%, and if the brand is not that reliable, somewhere around 6% to 6.5%. तो जब मैंने Airbnb business explore करना start किया, तो I went to Bali.
Okay.
I studied Bali की market, and it was very very promising, and market is growing to another level. If you have
It's
been
amazing.
to Bali,
Yes, twice. Yes.
वहाँ पे 15% रिटर्न है, and not that I'm promoting Bali.
Thailand
Indi-
as well.
इंडिया के
Yeah.
अंदर
Rental बहुत कम है ना बाली में.
हाँ, एंड अब मेरे ख्याल से बिजनेस थाईलैंड से भी काफी ज्यादा शिफ्ट हुआ है बाली. ऑस्ट्रेलियंस दे आल्सो कम टू बाली. तो अब्रॉड के रिटर्न्स तो डिफरेंट हो गए. आप यहाँ पे 8x रिटर्न के बारे में बात कर रहे थे जब आपने इसको स्टार्ट किया. उसके बारे में मेरे को बताओ. जब आपने दिल्ली के अंदर जब अपने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, आई बिलीव यू हैव 15 प्रॉपर्टीज,
Yes.
राइट,
Yes.
एंड 2 इन गोवा.
Yes.
सो जो आपकी सारी दिल्ली वाली और गोवा वाली प्रॉपर्टीज सब आपकी है?
नहीं नहीं. Only 2 of them are mine.
हम्म.
Few of them are on rent, which is sort of what you call rental arbitrage, and a few of them are on revenue share basis. So I do the management and the operations and guest handling of that property,
Right.
and the owner and I split the revenue.
Right.
Yes.
And how do you approach them? How do you approach the owners? How do you get into that market? I want my viewers to understand this, that Airbnb is a very promising business and it's growing at a very good scale.
Right. Somebody asked me this literally 5 days ago. A friend's friend called me and said, "आप अपने broker का number दोगे मुझे?" So fortunately, I'd like to say that whoever I'm associated with, be it on rent or on the revenue share model, they reached out to me. So my father-in-law is in the Rotary group, and he just kind of put down a message. Hey, my daughter is doing this, and let us know if you have any idle property lying, and she'd love to chat with you. Messages just kind of started pouring in. So literally 50, other than the ones that are mine, 50% are from referrals. Someone said, "Arey, aap उस लड़की से बात करो दृष्टि से." So that's why today I have 15. I've been extremely, I'm very grateful, and I've been a little lucky here, and I really appreciate all my homeowners that I didn't have to really go. Touch wood, I've never done it.
You
till
are
yet.
blessed. You are blessed.
I haven't had to. The owner has already reached the first destination. They're already interested in doing this. नहीं तो सबसे पहले if somebody wants to put their house on rent and you're like नहीं आंटी आप सुनो आप मुझे ये Airbnb, पहले तो सबसे पहले the biggest struggle is to teach them कि ये Airbnb क्या है, कैसे है, कौन आएगा, रोज blah blah. I haven't had to do that. They're already interested in putting this on Airbnb and understanding more about it. So they'll just be like अच्छा ये कैसे होता है, वो कैसे होता है. They'll ask me nitty-gritties and then I'm telling them. But of course, I've always sat and I have pitched that this is my responsibility. I will ensure your house is taken care of. I think the most thing that they care about is हमारे घर को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. What happens is that basically nowadays a lot of homeowners are interested in getting into this new concept कि हम भी समझें कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, and the property is yours. When there's a tenant, you have to kind of give it away, take permission, can we come into the house, etc., etc. In this case, the property is always the homeowners. Even the Goa ones, like I told you, I'm running. A lot of times the homeowner calls me and says, "Drishti, घर बंद कर दो 10 दिन मैं आ रहा हूँ घूमने के लिए." So the property is still his. It's just when it's lying idle, it's making him a little bit of money so that running the cost of the house and all is covered.
So, Drishti, I want to ask you 2 questions. That was exactly what was going on in my mind. If I give you the property, what happens then? Please explain our viewers the model of taking someone else's property on rent and buying your own property. What are both models like, and how does it function? Like मैंने property आज खरीदी और मैंने कॉल किया, दृष्टि, hi, I have a property and I want to talk about renting it out to you so that you can use it for Airbnb. What is that model, and what is the model when you buy a property or putting it out on Airbnb?
So I'll tell you the first one, but before that, there's no difference if it's on rent or if it's your own. If it's your own property, you have the money to go
Responsibilities
and buy
की थोड़ा
it.
फर्क तो आता होगा दोनों के अंदर.
नहीं, रेंट पे या ओन्ड वो डिफरेंट है, रेवेन्यू शेयर डिफरेंट है, वो मॉडल अलग है, विच आई शेयर विद यू. बट रेंट हो या अपना हो, in the rental thing, you just need to have permission. The owner should know ki, okay, she's going to be putting this out on short-term rentals and running an B&B from here. It's mentioned in my contract.
Hmm.
All my owners know exactly what's happening, and that was extremely transparent. And they only wanted that,
Mhm.
run it like this.
Correct.
Monthly you give them rent. That is it. The owners have no other involvement in the house. घर में क्या है, क्या चल
No, but
रहा है.
how do you start? What is your model like? मेरे पास अब आ गई है 4 properties. How do I market it? How do I put it on Airbnb? What is the next step once you get the property?
Once I get the property.
Yeah.
So